In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a disabled chess.com account on both PC and mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But essentially, go down to chess.com here on your device or open up the chess.com app and go down to this little settings gear that looks something like this. Select help and support, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where as you can see I've actually started a AI chat help, but this is going to be your AI chat box that's going to give you a few different options. So start by hitting get started, and this is going to take you to a selection where you're going to see a search bar where you could type in your issue. Go ahead and type in something like account recovery or why is my account disabled, and go ahead and open up any of these options that specifically apply to your account. If none of these options apply to you, hit get more help, and it's going to allow you to type a message where you're going to want to type in a specific message that replies to your specific situation. Most of the times disabled accounts happen for a specific reason, so type in as much information as you could possibly give. Say my account was disabled for allegedly cheating, right? You could type that message in here, and of course they'll then connect you with a real support staff member who can help you recover your account. This is the only official way to find out why your account was disabled and what steps you could take to fix it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.